Are you excited to learn how to make ice cream? Because I'm excited to teach you how. But before we start the tutorial, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jasmine, and I've been teaching art appreciation for almost 2 years now at the Western Institute of Technology. And I'm not going to let the pandemic stop me from doing what I love the most. And that's why I'm here on YouTube, to share practical knowledge through tutorials and how-to videos, and as well as to share the things I've learned in my journey for self-improvement. So if you're into that, click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell button as well to keep you notified every time I have a new upload. The ingredients for homemade ice cream are all-purpose cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and natural flavors. At home, we prefer using fresh fruits, banana, avocado, and sometimes when we are not in the mood for fruit, we use powdered drinks like Milo or instant coffee. So before we mix our ingredients together, preferably the evaporated milk, condensed milk, and all-purpose cream should be chilled overnight. When all the ingredients are ready, mix your chilled condensed milk and chilled evaporated milk together. Stir the mixture well. And when you're done, put it aside and then let it chill in the refrigerator or in a tub of ice while we prepare our all-purpose cream. This time, we are going to whisk our all-purpose cream that is also preferably chilled. So we're going to whisk until it becomes fluffy. If you don't have an electric mixer or whisk, just improvise. Okay, now our cream is fluffy. Put it aside and let it chill in the refrigerator or in a tub of ice as well. Let us now prepare our flavors. You may directly add peeled and sliced fruits to your mixture if you like, but I would recommend putting the fruits at the blender first. Okay, so we're now ready to mix everything together. Let's pour our evaporated milk and condensed milk mixture into our fluffy all-purpose cream. Mix it well. And then let's transfer our mixture to our containers. And then let's add flavors. Sometimes I don't mix it all the way to give it a marbled look, but for those who are doing this for the first time, I would recommend mixing it well. Let's leave our ice cream in the freezer overnight, and after 5 to 8 hours, we can already enjoy our homemade ice cream. Taste test! So I'm going to give our Milo ice cream 5 stars for taste and 5 stars for texture. I love it because it has this Maltesers feel on my tongue. Overall score for our Milo ice cream, 5 stars. Next, our banana ice cream.
I would give the taste 5 stars and texture also 5 stars. No words can describe, I just love it. It's perfect. For the overall score, 5 stars. And lastly, our avocado ice cream. For the taste, I'll give it 5 stars. Texture, 4 stars. I would not recommend putting avocado slices directly into the mixture because once your ice cream is frozen, solid fruits harden. I wouldn't recommend that if you are going for a smooth texture. So overall, for avocado ice cream, 4 stars.
Thanks for watching. If you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions about the ice cream making process, or if you have certain topics or ideas or suggestions on the videos I will make next, please don't hesitate. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.